We love convertibles on this channel. Why are they so hated? The other good thing I do like about the convertible, FoxBody wise, they're a lot cheaper right now. Are you excited about that?
Oh, I'm excited. I'm not gonna claim it as a Duke Blue color.
Good, okay. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we're out on location, guys. We're out on the set or offset. I don't know, whatever way you want to say it. I want to talk about a few things, basically talk about convertible Fox bodies and why are they so hated. And to do that, I actually came to another convertible owner. You guys know I own a convertible Tar Heel Fox. Tar Heel Fox is right here. And there's another Fox body right here. I'm gonna show you in just a second. It's a very special one though. If you've been a long time viewer of the channel, you've probably seen this car before. This car has been on the channel and it went to someone that is also a YouTuber. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the car, and you should know by the car whose car it is, and then I'm gonna bring him in. But let's go ahead and get into it. There you go, there she is again. This used to be called Sparkle Fox. I don't know what the new name is. I know it's not that name, but he's a YouTuber, guys, and you can tell, look, he's a fan of the channel. Rocking the OG Gearhead 704 sticker. I love that, I love that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and bring him in here. His channel used to be called Kevin Builds, but I'm gonna bring Kevin in here, and he has a new channel, and we're just gonna talk all about that. Kevin, welcome back to the channel.
What's up, guys? It's Kevin Builds here, and now I'm going by Everything Goes TV. I talked about my channel name change on my YouTube channel, so if you want to watch that video and figure out the whole story about everything, it is on my channel Everything Goes TV. And this is my convertible FoxBody Mustang.
Yeah.
I have not really settled on a new name yet.
Okay.
I've been thinking because I feel like Mustang this special deserves a well thought out name.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about probably Project Blue. I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
But I will put in some more time and consideration in the name as the months go by.
Yeah, and well, and they can follow you on the channel to find out what name you're gonna choose, right? So that's pretty cool. And he mentioned Everything Goes TV. I will have that link down below if you want to check him out. Also put it up on the screen so you can see what's been going on with the project, because Kevin, the last time I saw this car, it looks way different. There was an engine in here. Definitely you had different wheels, right? Can you kind of run us through real quick everything that you've changed since we saw it last?
Under the hood first, we can talk about is I did take the engine and transmission, everything out, and I cleaned it. I pressure washed it and cleaned it really good with some degreaser because it was really dirty and greasy. And then I went in and after I cleaned everything, I had it painted. My dad helped me paint it, and you see we did this nice black color, and then we put a layer of gloss on top. Okay. And made it look really, really nice. And I like the way it turned out. And now to the wheels. Yeah,
it had the Cobra R's before, is that right?
We had the Cobra R's in there, but now we have the pony wheels, as you guys can see right there. We got them in the silver. Yeah. And we have these caps right here. We're gonna keep these wheels for now, but in the future we're probably gonna change them. I'm really thinking about maybe FR 500s, but for now we'll keep those. I'm probably gonna, as I keep working on the Mustang, I'm gonna clean it out, polish it, and put some armor on to make the tires.
Oh yeah, for the tires.
Look clean again.
But you're in mid-project now, so you got a lot going on. Now the hood, is this a different hood, or I'm trying to remember what happened with the hood.
It is a different hood.
Right.
We actually we found somebody on the Facebook Marketplace, and we bought that off of him, and we installed it on because I like this style of the hood better than the other one that I had, and we are going to be changing the color of this hood too. Okay. I think right now it actually looks kind of cool. It's unique. It does look cool and different, but of course I'm going to change the color. We're probably going to repaint it blue again, the whole Mustang. Probably this shade of blue again. I really like this shade of blue. Now, I know it kind of looks like Duke blue.
You know what I'm going to go with? A little bit, but you know what? It feels like Kansas Jayhawk blue, maybe. Yeah. Maybe it's Kansas blue.
But I'm not going to claim it as a Duke blue color.
Good, okay.
Not claim that team here.
No, we don't do that.
We're probably going to do the hood in black.
Okay. Yeah, and another thing I remember you changed was the taillights, right? Can we look at those real quick? Yes. Yeah, because you actually gave me your other taillights. I was going to do a video. I haven't done one yet.
If you guys ever saw those taillights, they were some funky looking taillights because they had, to me, what it looked like Mercedes-Benz logo.
Yeah.
Inside of it, that's what it looked like to me.
And they would light up and stuff, right? I mean, they didn't work on your car, but
dingy and dirty.
Yeah.
And actually, I had a video of me cleaning these and sanding these and polishing them to make them look all nice, shiny, clean, and new again. And I put these in, and I am pretty happy with the way they look. And
they look good.
Been on here for a while now, and always on my Mustang I've had a cover on it, so it gets no weather damage, water, rain, anything. Yeah,
I asked you to take the cover off, but guys, he normally does have the cover. And I remember too when you covered up the holes here.
Oh yeah.
Actually, on the convertible top.
Really, really strong, durable Gorilla Glue tape.
Gorilla Glue
tape. Been on here for maybe like 5, 6, 7 months now.
Okay. Like it's holding up great.
It's been on there since we got it from you guys. Okay. We put it on there like a month later, and it's been holding and no water going inside at all. Okay. And so I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, that's great. Actually, it's funny you mentioned that, you know, the convertible and getting it from us. And for those of you that don't know, Fox Mustang Restoration, they donated the car to Kevin. They gave him the car.
Matt and I have decided to give you this car. As
For real?
As your
For real.
first FoxBody, for real.
It's your car.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you guys so much. Wow, I was so confused at first, but now I get it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you guys a lot.
So that's how you ended up with a convertible. Now, that's kind of the topic of this video, convertibles. I mean, how do you like, first of all, I know it really wasn't your choice, but you would take any FoxBody, right? You're 15 now, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you just love FoxBodies and you just wanted a car that was a FoxBody. So you didn't really get a choice, but you ended up with a convertible.
But I'm fine with the convertible.
Are you? Okay.
We will get this convertible top changed though.
Yeah.
We are, of course, in the future after. What I really want to focus on is the engine and everything, because I want to get this running.
So you can drive it,
Yes,
right?
I can drive it because I can now start taking my classes for my permit, and then I can move on to my driver's license.
Yeah.
And then when I get my driver's license, then I can have a running car to
Yeah.
drive around in. And then that's when we'll get this convertible top changed. Over here on the trunk, there is some stuff that we had to tape up right here. As you can see, there was actually an antenna.
Oh yeah,
that went right
and there was a
there.
wing here, right?
Yes, and when we took it out, it left holes right here. And so we just covered it with the same glue we did for the convertible top, and I have had no water go inside of the trunk.
Now you haven't really ever driven it. Obviously you can't drive
No,
yet, but did
yeah.
you ever ride in it with the top down yet?
With the top down, no.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Really, you had to get to working on it right away, essentially.
Yeah. And we had, I remember when we were at FMR when I first got this, we were having some struggles opening it up too. So we decided that it's probably best just to keep it closed.
Okay.
Try to keep it as sealed as possible so no water goes inside. But as you guys can see right here, the windows actually are like pushed away a little bit, and it's not really sealed all the way, and that we're going to be changing the weather stripping and everything because it's kind of like all cracked out and faded away. Here's the inside of it.
Yeah. And it's not in too bad shape. I forgot you got the newer, these are like SN95 seats, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
And the ones in the back, we actually did have those out for a while, but we just put them back in.
Oh, look at
about
that.
a month or two ago.
They look pretty nice. I mean,
Yeah.
the seat feels, it's nice and firm. They're not all torn up.
Nope.
When I got my convertible over there, I've had it for, I think I've had it for 17 years, and it was all torn up, the seats and everything like that. Yeah, so you're starting with a good foundation as far as that goes.
We actually had the center console and everything pulled out, and we got everything back in. It's not fully screwed in and everything. We just have it in there sitting for now.
Yeah, because you're
and
still gonna, you got to put the transmission back in and
all that. I have to put everything back in, which I'm hoping that we'll be able to do this summer because I am super excited to get this Mustang up and running. And even if I can't drive it right away yet, I would like to have it running so I can hear the way it will sound. Maybe my dad can take me to cruising it.
Yeah, oh, that'd be awesome. And
So
then
I
you're
can
gonna learn to
drive
drive
it.
on a FoxBody.
Yeah, I'll learn how to drive on a FoxBody.
Yeah. Another thing too is it came with the auto. When you got it from Matt and Jen at FMR, it came with the auto. I think, have you decided, are you gonna manual swap that for sure?
I have been thinking about it, and I'm not really sure if I'm ready to go with the manual yet, but most likely my dad will make me do the manual.
Okay.
Let me go manual, so.
You got a good dad there. I think they'd all agree with that. We love the manuals. Yeah. You'll learn. It's
I'll
not
learn
hard.
eventually, yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about the convertible aspect? Are you excited about that, or would you rather?
Oh, I'm excited
Yeah.
that I had this because any car that I've ever wanted, I've always made sure it had a convertible top because I just love the way of having the convertible top down, cruising, the wind blowing into your face, and then having everybody look at you in your nice clean car. I just love the idea of it. BMWs, I always like the convertible BMWs because they look really nice and clean. And so now that I have a FoxBody Mustang that's gonna make everybody's heads turn when they see me cruising down, and I'm having the convertible top down, they're like, who's that? That's Kevin Fields and his FoxBody Mustang.
Go. It's funny that you mentioned BMWs too. A lot of people don't know this. I've never revealed it on the channel, but the color for my car, it's actually a BMW color.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
yeah. So first time, so guys, you find out because of Kevin. For me, I really like the convertible too.
The color on your Mustang,
Thank you, I really appreciate it. Yeah, convertible aspect of my Mustang. This is, I guess I've owned 3 FoxBodies now, but the SSP was the 3rd one. So the first 2 that I owned, they were actually both convertibles, and it was that kind of thing of I always wanted to just drop the top and put my hair down. But a lot of people nowadays, they don't want them, and I think it's because of kind of your car, you know. You've got, this is very common, right? You have to replace the top, all this weather stripping to get it right to make sure it doesn't leak.
Tell me is that having a convertible is nice, but also because if you don't take proper care of the convertible top, over time it could start to get damaged without the proper care. So make sure you gotta take care of the convertible top, the weather stripping, make sure it's in good condition, because then as it starts to deteriorate, dry and crackle away, that's when water's gonna start seeping through. And my dad also said that you might want to be careful with the convertible tops because somebody could slice their way through your convertible top, and if you have something inside your car, they could steal it or they could possibly get away with your Mustang.
Yeah. You know what I used to do so they wouldn't slice my top? I was so scared about that. Your dad's right. I used to leave the car unlocked because I figured if they're gonna break in anyway, just and I make sure nothing valuable was in the car.
To be honest, like you said, leaving the door unlocked, I'd rather have them get in through the door than slashing my convertible top, because these aren't cheap.
No, I had to replace mine already. Yeah, so mine was actually worse than yours, believe it or not. Yeah, so my whole window had busted out and everything.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So you're going to be okay with it. The other good thing I do like about the convertible, even though, like we talked about, the top having, you know, it can wear out faster and the weather stripping, all that. FoxBody wise, they're a lot cheaper right now. You can get deals because people don't want them.
Yep.
You know, like the feature cars, you know how your trim here is painted? I know this wasn't a feature car, right? But on mine, they're black.
Yeah.
The feature cars all had the painted trim, and they're kind of special, limited edition. And you can get them now, really clean one for like 10 to 15,000, and if you switch that to a hatchback or a coupe, it's going to jump up 20, 25. So I think convertibles are cheaper.
And speaking of trimming, I actually gonna have to get this replaced because you guys can see right there.
Oh yeah, I did on mine too.
Cracks right there.
Yeah, I know where you can get that stuff. I know a place.
Yeah.
Yeah, FMR.
Oh yeah.
Speaking of, one thing I did want to mention, if you guys want to donate parts to Kevin, if you want to donate parts to this project, you know, he's 15 years old, he is working and saving his money.
Once I start working on the engine and the transmission, everything, as people have donated parts before, and those parts will start going on to the FoxBody Mustang soon.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I know I gave you parts for Pony did. I think Mr. Mach 1, he gave you the engine block, right? Yes. Is that right? Okay. And speaking of Pony, I'm wearing his shirt today because I believe you have something of his for me, right? Maybe his, something of mine. Sorry, I said something of his. You have something of mine from him. There it is right there.
Over there.
Finally, I finally get my wheel back, Pony. He had it for over a year, so I wore this shirt just for you, buddy. So let's take a look at my wheel.
I've had it for a couple, maybe like a week or two now.
Okay, yeah, Kevin hasn't had it long. It was Pony was the one that kept it forever. But yeah, oh man.
Here it is right there.
Looks pretty good. You took good care of it.
Yep.
Well, I need that for the SSP because
yeah.
So I finally got my wheel back from Pony. But yeah, no problems, no worries. He had it for a long time. I gave him a hard time about it, but Pony, you know, thanks for getting it back to me. I was glad I was able to help you out. And I believe we're gonna talk about how awesome riding a convertible is. Kevin and I are gonna take a ride in my car real quick. So let's jump in, we'll bring you guys along. Should be fun.
Wow.
It has some good power. It's actually slower than the stroker motor, but it's dependable now, you know?
Yeah.
Let's take a little cruise with the top down, and it's so reliable now, and this is the best part of a convertible, you know? Yeah. I can't wait to see you cruising around in yours,
I'm ready to start cruising in mine too.
Yeah.
The top down and everything. Wow.
They seem to like that. That's the other thing. You get noticed in a convertible, which I like. Like I said, they're cheaper. They are heavy. That's another downside. The convertibles are pretty heavy, but I'm actually glad you have a convertible because I want you to be safe at the beginning. Yeah. So I think they're the heaviest FoxBody, but that's okay. They have a lot of extra chassis stiffening, you know, to make them because you don't have this to rigid your chassis.
When you hit the gas pedal and you're jerked back in your seat, I love the way that feels. It's the best feeling in the world, and that's why I'm happy that I went with the FoxBody. That I got a FoxBody.
Yes, you get all that torque. What year is your convertible? I forgot.
1987.
87, okay. So the first year of the Aero cars, do you like those more than the 4i cars?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool. For those of you guys watching, this is a beautiful day right now. It's the perfect top-down weather.
Oh, yeah.
And I know they can go to see your channels to see the full reason why, but just to summarize, the reason why your other channel went away was this channel now, I believe you and your dad are sharing, is that right? Yes,
my dad will be doing videos, and I'll also be doing videos.
Yeah. So that puts less pressure on you to keep putting out videos, right?
Because, like I said in the video on my channel, I'm focusing more on school because I am now in an automotive program, and I want to take more advanced classes because maybe one day I'll probably end up with NASCAR. Doing
NASCAR. That would be awesome.
And so that's why I'm taking these classes, because I really, really want to do that.
Well, our buddy Harris Lou, I think you met him before. He used to work for NASCAR. So
yes, I heard about that. Yep.
Yeah, he's doing more graphic art designs, but you'd like to be there maybe in the pits or something. Is that right? Yeah. So he's taking an automotive class, guys. It's awesome to see someone else into auto mechanics. I mean, a lot of young kids nowadays your age are not. So it's really cool to see that the passion is still going to your generation. Woo! See, it just hooks. Yeah, that's the speed limit. That's what I like. Got to the speed limit like that. We just confirmed the reason why they need to get a convertible. Did you see that guy on the street corner pointing at the car? Yeah. You get noticed in convertibles, guys. Harris, I should have worn my convertible shirt. Harris has one, Lou Creative, that says Vert Gang on it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's my color car, but he used his car to actually make it. But he stole my color. I know you stole my color, Harris. Now Now guys, we're not burning any tires or anything like that or breaking any laws. We're just giving it a little bit of gas. I know I'm trying to be an impressionable driver for Kevin. So, like I said, this one's mainly just sound. It's not really that fast, but I do love the sound.
Yeah,
You've had the car more than a year now. We surprised you with it at FMR, right?
Yep. I'm documenting every little bit of detail. I'm putting back together my Mustang.
Okay. If you want to follow the full build of his convertible, guys, be sure to check out Everything Goes TV. Subscribe to his channel, and we'd love it if they do, because I want you to see to hit the 1,000 subscribers, and I think you make, you know, entertaining videos. So, well, this is fun, Kevin. How'd you like riding in Tar Heel Fox?
I loved it.
Yeah?
Yes.
Get you excited for your car?
Yes.
Good.
Love feeling the wind, my hair going everywhere, the sound, everything. I loved it.
Cool. Well, guys, we made it back safe and sound after the ride with Kevin, and I think he really enjoyed it. You heard him say so there. And yeah, what do you think about convertible Fox bodies? I know a lot of people don't like them, but I think right now they are a steal. They are a deal. They're a lot cheaper than any other Fox. Of course, they could be a little bit more work, but I think they're the ones that you should get right now. I think they're undervalued. The value might go up. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. But before I grab Kevin here, I want to show you guys one more car. You might see it right here, right behind me. I know this is a FoxBody channel, guys, but you got to appreciate this Chevelle. It's a 70 Chevelle. It says 454. I think he told me it was actually, you say 498? It's actually got a 498 in it, guys. This thing is it's super nice. And the cool thing about it, he also owns a FoxBody. He owns a GT, a red GT Aero car. Maybe we'll get the FoxBody on the channel next time, but I got to appreciate this car as well. So he's got to head out. Just had to show you guys that real quick. That thing is clean. So let me get Kevin and we'll close this video out. All right, so we made it back, and Kevin, you said you enjoyed your drive,
Yes,
right?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
everything.
You're definitely Team Vert, right? Team Convertible?
100%.
All right, so if Kevin likes that, you know they got to be good. But
Yeah.
I really want to see you finish the build, and so they've got to follow Everything's Go TV, right?
Everything Goes TV. So if you guys want to see me continue this build and get up and running, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can always get notified to when I upload a new video.
Yeah, that's awesome. He couldn't have said it better. And the next thing I guess you're focused on is the engine, probably,
Yes,
right?
100%.
Okay.
I'm ready to get it running so I can start driving it, because I have just turned 15 and I can start taking my classes to get my permit.
Yeah, that's gonna be exciting, I know.
Yes.
So the last thing I want to show you guys, this is gonna be a shameless plug, but since he's wearing my shirt, can we show him the back of the shirt real quick, Kevin? Because they can pick them up. And I'm actually giving one of these away too. In case you guys missed that video, I'm giving one of these away. There you go, not just a Mustang, it's a FoxBody. You like that saying, Kevin?
Yes.
Okay.
Love it, yeah. I like this shirt. You have really good quality shirts.
Yeah, this one's a lot better. My old blue one, Gearhead 704, I think I gave you one of those, right?
I still have it,
This
yeah.
one feels a lot better though, doesn't it,
Yeah,
than that one?
Yeah, this black one, good color coordinates with my jeans too.
Yeah, yeah,
So
you
that's
can
why I
look
wore
cool
it.
with it. It's not like
Yeah.
the big symbol, but see, Pony was right, small symbol. All right, well, thanks for picking up my wheel
No
as
problem.
well.
Yep.
And it's right there, we're gonna grab that.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, sound off down below if you think convertibles are cool again, if they're gonna go up, because I'm into convertibles, Kevin's into convertibles. Yep. We love convertibles on this channel, and we love Fox bodies. It's the most important thing. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because we got a lot more Fox body content coming for you. And I also upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, so you can count on that consistent content. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. So if you want to follow the full build of his channel, of his car, oh, I'll say that again, sir. If you want to follow the, follow, what's a follow? This is bloopers, Kevin, sorry.
Yeah.